fellow Kiwanian, by the power vested in me, Kiwanis International, Philippine Luzon District, now I declare to open Kiwanis Night to order.
Go crazy, your hometown trailblazing, get the whole block shaking.
Check this out.
You're a legend in the making. You're a legend in the making. Way, way out here on the top. Coming up, just can't stop. Every step is groundbreaking. You're a legend in the making. You're a legend in the making. In the making. You're a legend in the making. Way, way out here on the top. Coming up, baby, just can't stop. Every step is groundbreaking. You're a legend in the making.
Napakaganda po ang ating Philippine Luzon District, nagkakaisa sa mithiing makatulong sa ating komunidad. Kaya maraming salamat po sa ating mga Kiwanians na umaten dito sa ating ngayong gabi. Palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa sa atin.
For tonight, celebrating 109th year is a gigantic milestone. As one, we're lighting up our communities with service above self. For this administration, it's not only light up Kiwanis, it's level up Kiwanis.
To provide through Kiwanis Club a practical means to form enduring friendship, to render altruistic service, and to build better communities.
To cooperate in creating, maintaining the sound public opinion and high idealism which makes possible the increase of righteousness, justice, patriotism, and goodwill.
Nagseset po tayo ng standard para sa darating na mga halalan, kinikilala, tinitingala, nilirespeto ng mga kababayan natin ang resulta, kasama na rin po ang inyong Commission on Elections.
Kiwanis Night is not just an event, and we celebrate every year, but a family reunion. It's a night when we come together, not just a fellow Kiwanians, but also close family, united by a common purpose. It's celebration of our shared journey, our filled with the sweat and toils of service.
Kiwanis Night is a big night which is waiting for ng ating mga Kakiwanians. Dahil minsan lang sa isang taon, tayo po ay nakakasama-sama ng ganito. Kaya mula kanina hanggang ngayon, hindi natatapos ang inyong tuwa.
Thank you for being a part of Kiwanis family, and I wish you all the wonderful evening filled with the joy. Cherish this moment. Light up and illuminate a better future for all. Long live Kiwanis! Hail Kiwanians! Maraming salamat po, fellow Kiwanian. Sa lahat po ng ibang division, maraming salamat. Taus-puso namin po on behalf of Philippine Luzon District, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat. And enjoy the night. Adjourn!